Today we're grabbing baby weights from 1 to 3 pounds and doing a Halloween-themed Dracula arm workout. We're starting out with those baby weights, 1 to 3 pounds, and we're standing with our feet in a Pilates V. We're going to start sparklers or small circles, circling to the inside on the way up. Now reverse and take it down. Take those hands up, reverse direction of the circles. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now swan arms. Lift up and draw the elbows into the body. Imagine here that you're reaching up and tracing out Dracula's cape. Now bring those elbows in front of you and reach out to the edges of the cape. Bringing those arms down, we're going to roll down through the spine and roll back up. Small circles going up. Circles down. Really tight, small and controlled. And up. Bring them down, reverse direction. Swan arms. Lift arms up. Pull the elbows into the body. Elbows in front of your face and reach out to a wide V. Those palms face you and then reach out and away. Bring those arms down, roll down through the spine, and roll back up one vertebrae at a time. Roll down again. Keep those legs straight, reach down towards the feet. Now we're going to circle those arms to high fifth and down to low fifth. Nice round through the arms. Think about a ballerina here. Now reach up 1, 2, 3, 4 levels and down 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 2, 3. Swan arms. Bring those elbows up, reach out into a V. Palms face your face and then they turn away from your body. That was so tragically beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this Halloween-themed arm workout. You can find this in my barre classes. So if you're interested in taking some online barre classes with me, you can come join me in my online studio on Patreon. Isn't it amazing what a little bit of weight and a lot of repetition can do? If you're wanting to find more barre workouts with me, you can find them right here on YouTube as well. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you next time in the studio. Happy Halloween!